Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you my documentation component. It's really straightforward and it works with collections. So it's great if you want to implement a simple documentation system on a site really quickly. This is great for doing that. So let's take a look at it in Framer. So our layout here is just split into two stacks. We've got the navigation or the contents on one side and then the articles on the other. And these are just two collections. You'll see that they're just collections. This collection on the right hand side, which is the documents it sells, we've got our collection there, and then inside we've just got a text field and we're connecting to the content. This is running out the CMS, and in the CMS the content is just a rich text field with headings in it, and we've got this we're using an H2 heading there right at the beginning. If we go back to the page here, one thing that we must make sure that we do on the actual text content itself is we want to make sure that we've added anchors. Now, in Framer, if you have a rich text field like this and you click on the plus button, I've already added anchors here. What it does is it automatically turns any H1, H2, H3 into an anchor, which is great because then we can link to it. So what this component does here that I created is it picks up on the H1 tags or H2 tags in this area here and just links to it. So in our component, which we've dragged into the collection here, we can select the text, we can select where we want it to link, and if you notice what we're linking to is just /doc. So this is, you'll see what the best thing to do is to download the remix and to use it from there. Okay, we've got the active color, we've got the inactive color, we've got hover, we've got the font, we've got the font size and the font weight. So we've got some granular control of visual control of what it looks like to match it up. But as I said, this is just a quick way of creating some documentation. So there's not tons of features, but there's enough there to create something nice. So you just basically have got two collections. One of them's got the component in linked, as you see here, and then you've got this here, which is your docs and it just links to it and creates this click through to each one. We've also made sure that the items in this collection are 100% VH. It could make them shorter than that, but that creates a nice separation between each page loading up and filling the viewport. But obviously, if the documentation was longer, then you know that would be different. So you just set that to fit. That's it, really. I have made this work across device types, so it's all in there. And you could just copy and paste this straight into your own site without doing anything else. And as I said, use the the remix link. The other thing that you could do if you wanted to implement it is on the actual Framerverse site here. The code for it is here. If you take a look at the code, you can modify that and make some changes to it if you wanted to. But the easiest way is to just get the remix link and copy the component in. So that's a brief tour of that. I know I didn't go into all the ins and outs of how to set it up, but as I said, the remix link is where to start. So hopefully you'll find that useful. Somebody will find that useful on their site, and it's great for implementing quick documentation. And it's a very lightweight solution to that problem. So hope you find it useful, and thanks for watching.